Disconnect all electrical power from the refrigerator at the top of the terminal block. Disconnect the wiring from the bottom of the terminal block, which comes from the lower part of the refrigerator. Remove the 2 screws securing the terminal block to the refrigerator, and remove the terminal block. Install the new terminal block using the 2 screws and tighten them. Reconnect the white, blue, and yellow wiring coming from the bottom of the refrigerator. Reconnect all electrical wiring to their proper terminals.